Hey there, my name is Cody. I'm with Walser Nissan Wayzata, and today I'm going to help get you set up for Android Auto on your Nissan model today. And to start with Android Auto, we're going to plug in our cord right into the USB. At this point, we're going to get the phone plugged into the vehicle using a cord connected to the USB. And then on the screen here, it's going to give you a prompt to ask if you want to have it always connect every time you do connect the vehicle. If you want, you can toggle that on and off. You can also switch that using your settings. And then on your phone yourself, what you'll do is you'll go through a few prompts here. And this is to make sure that you're allowing the vehicle to fully be integrated with your phone. Your phone logo changes over there to Android Auto, and this is going to be the screen that pops up. And at this point, you can go through navigation. They also have the option to go through other app options as well. And obviously, when you're using it, you won't be able to use the phone itself, and that's for safety purposes. This button right here always will bring you back to the apps, and if you want, you can hit the Nissan button there to go back to the general menu, or you can hit this button right there. Thank you for watching the video on Android Auto. If you have any additional questions, feel free to call or visit us online at walsernissanwayzata.com.